Hey everybody, just a quick tip for today. We're going to talk about breasts, and Erin's on camera. Say hello, baby.
Hey, hey.
All right. So, we sell a lot of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and it terrifies me to think that people are not cooking these right, okay? This is a very, very easy piece of meat to screw up, and here's why. If you want to cook this portion right here, which is the thickest portion of this meat, to doneness temperature, then that means the rest of this, which is thinner, is going to turn out to be hard and nasty and chewy, okay? The key is to make it uniform thickness so it cooks uniformly, so you have a uniform texture and a uniform doneness throughout. So there's different ways that you can do this. You can butterfly this, okay? And I'm just gonna tell you flat out, I don't like that method, and here's why. I have a very sharp knife. I keep all of my knives shaving sharp, okay? Chances are most people don't. Plus, it's hard to do even with the sharp knife. So what we're gonna do is show what I think is the easiest way, and that's pounded, baby. We pound breasts around here. Okay. We want to make the big breasts, the big round breasts, we want them flatten.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so there's a number of ways that you can do this. I can take cellophane or saran wrap or whatever. Wax paper, but I like the parchment paper because it works easily. And I'm not a big fan of plastic. Now, we tend to have one of these dedicated pounding utensils. It's a very heavy, solid weight. It's got a nice handle, works well. Dude, you can use a Frank's bottle, okay? Look at that, a Frank's bottle. You don't have a Frank's bottle, you got a Yeti, all right? Just pound that baby down, okay? I'm using a Yeti, no joke. And what you're getting here is, look at that uniformity, okay? I just pounded out that portion to where it's more uniform. Now, I was just screwing around, so I'm gonna pound this side out just a little bit more. The reason I like this is because it fits right into my hand, and it's like you know, pound it like Bruce Lee. And I wouldn't be doing it on this table. I'd be doing it over here where it's making a lot less racket. But anyway, you get the point. The next step, any piece of meat, you want to salt this baby. See, look at that uniformity. That's perfect, okay? That's ready. It's not ready for the grill, and here's why. You want to salt that baby down, and that's what I'm going to do. Before you put this meat on a grill or you're cooking it, this is known as a dry brine, okay? This is a 2-for-1 tip day. This is a dry brine. I'm going to be using this in a recipe, so I need to do it anyway. What this dry brine does is it will pull moisture out, and then it'll suck it back in, okay? So it's gonna really pull that salt flavor rather than just being on the surface of the meat. It's gonna pull that down into the meat. And with this type of thickness, I can feel it getting wet already, okay? So I'm gonna set that aside. I got some other things to do in the kitchen, and that's, my friends, is how you have perfect breasts. You gotta pound your breasts. Tip of the day.